The Clinical Microbiology Procedures Handbook stands as a vital resource for laboratory professionals, offering detailed guidance on the detection and identification of microorganisms in clinical specimens. Recognized for its comprehensive protocols, the handbook supports accurate and efficient laboratory practices, ensuring reliable results in clinical microbiology. Its significance lies in providing standardized procedures that help professionals navigate the complexities of microbial analysis, from initial specimen collection to advanced identification techniques. By consolidating the latest methods and best practices, the handbook plays a crucial role in maintaining high standards of patient care and laboratory safety. With each new edition, it continues to reflect advancements in the field, making it an indispensable tool for both experienced microbiologists and those in training. The Clinical Microbiology Procedures Handbook has seen significant advancements between its 4th and 5th editions. The 5th edition, released in March 2023, introduces 2 new sections dedicated to blood cultures and MALDI-TOF mass spectrometry, reflecting the latest technological developments in clinical diagnostics. Additionally, the handbook features comprehensive revisions in areas such as molecular diagnostics, virology, and serology, ensuring that laboratory professionals have access to the most current protocols. Both editions are available in multiple formats, including a 3-volume hardcover set and a convenient ebook version. The ebook can be purchased through platforms like Apple Books, offering flexibility for users who prefer digital access. These updates and format options make the handbook an essential resource for those working in clinical microbiology. The Clinical Microbiology Procedures Handbook is available for purchase through reputable platforms such as Apple Books, where users can access the latest ebook edition. Wiley, the official publisher, also offers the handbook in multiple formats, including a 3-volume hardcover set, and provides online access through its ClinMicro Now platform, ensuring users receive up-to-date information and resources. When considering online sources, it's crucial to verify the credibility and legality of the provider. Websites like cheapbooks.org may offer downloadable versions, but these sources may not be authorized and could involve copyright infringement. To protect your personal information and ensure you receive accurate content, always choose legitimate channels for purchasing or accessing professional resources. Relying on official publishers and recognized platforms helps maintain the integrity of your educational materials.